Hello everyone, my name is Aftab Mandal. In today's video we are going to talk about operators in Java. In school we have already learned about some basic mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We use the symbols like plus, minus, division and multiply. So those symbols were the operators and the numbers around them were operands. We will use the same concept in our Java. In Java, there are operators that we have already learned in school and there are some new operators which we will learn in this video. So we only need to know that the symbols are called as operators and the numbers around them are called operands. So let's start this video with our very first operator, that is arithmetic operator, in which we have binary and unary. First we will talk about binary operators. So binary operators are the basic ones which we have already learned in school. Those are plus, minus, multiplication and division and modulo. So we already know about these. Let's skip directly to the division and modulo. So if we divide the two numbers a divided by b, we will get the output as quotient, and if we use the modulo, that is a modulo b, we will get remainder. So that was all of binary. Now we will move to unary operators. In unary, so first we will discuss the difference between unary and binary. In binary we have one operator and two operands around them, but in unary we have only one operand and it will work single, means there will be only one operand. So talking about unary, we have four types, that is post increment, pre increment and then post decrement and pre decrement. They mean like post increment means the operand will be written as a plus plus. It means the number will print first and then it will change and move forward. The same goes with in decrement, like the number will first reduce by one digit and then it will print. So there are four types we have talked about, and moving forward we have another type, that is relational operator. In relational operator we have like greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. We all know about this from school. So they just show the relation between two operands, whether it is greater than or less than. Next we will have logical operators. So logical operator shows the logic between two statements, whether they are logically correct or not, in which we have logical and, logical or and logical not. So we will talk about logical and. So this is written as double and. If you know the symbol of and, looks like S. So logical and says that it will check, suppose we have multiple statements, it will check the first statement. If it is true, then it will move forward. If it is true, then it will move forward. If in any case it is find that a statement is false, then it will stop its execution task and will print false. So logical and requires everything as a true statement. If any of the statement is found as false, it will print false. Another one is in the same, we have logical or. Logical or means if you have suppose multiple statements and any one statement is true, then it will print true. It does not matter if other statements are false or not. And then we have the last one, that is logical not. It will print the invert of the statement, that is, if the statement is true, it will print false. If the statement is false, it will print true. Moving forward, we have next operator, that is bitwise operator. Now bitwise, and there is another one is shift operator. These are more complex. We need to first know about the binary systems. So bitwise operator and shift operators, they just manipulate the operands. Like we can say the complement bitwise, its symbol is like tilt, the basic curve. So it will just move the, suppose we have a number 2. Number 2 is written as in binary as 0, 0, 1, 0 or maybe something else. We just don't need to memorize it. It will just manipulate the numbers by everything. It will convert the 0 into 1, 1 into 0, and they are much more like that. Or logical and logical. It will just do the same. We won't talk about this much as it is very complicated and it is very less common. Moving forward, we have another operator that is instance of, and then we have operators like relational operators. I think we talked about relational operators already. I think that's it. We will end this video here. This is Aftab Mandal signing off.